what's the difference between a request for evidence or a notice of intent to deny? And also, do they have to send a request for evidence before they send a notice of intent to deny? Not necessarily. So cases where we'll see a notice of intent to deny outright would be, well, first of all, let me talk about the differences. A request for evidence means basically we don't feel that we have enough to make a decision in your case. What else can you provide to us to make a decision in your case? That's what an RFE, a request for evidence, means. A NOID, which is a notice of intent to deny, means that we have enough information and plan to deny your case unless you can disprove us. So an example of where they might skip like an RFE, to give you a NOID, would be, i.e., maybe you filed a previous application where they basically said your case was a sham marriage, like your previous marriage was a sham marriage, or that you didn't have a qualifying divorce from your previous spouse. They would just automatically go directly to like the NOID if they wanted to, saying, prove to us that that previous marriage was real before we make a decision on this case. So essentially they're saying we have enough for this case, but because of that case, we're not going to approve it unless you can prove to us that that initial marriage was not a sham marriage. So that's like an example.